What's up, guys, and welcome to the official Dawson Street level crossing tour. Now this is a 2-gate 4-signal level crossing on the Upfield line that sees trains to Upfield. Now let's start the tour. So for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, black with right writing stop on the red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, 2 track sign, crossback, another 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, crossback, pole cap. And for the gated mast over here, we've got an unmarked base, Siemens gate mechanism, wishbone gate, 3 outcry gate lights, and a general signals e-bell. Now let's get the first activation. And for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, black with right writing stop on the red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, 2 track sign, crossback, another 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, crossback, pole cap. And for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, Siemens gate mechanism, wishbone gate, 3 aircraft gate lights, and a general signals e-bell. Now let's get the last activation.